For more on the expected impact of the proposed tariffs on the economy, we're joined by financial advisor Alan Small now. Alan, good to see you. Thank you for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
What is your reaction to this? I mean, this could destroy so many livelihoods.
Yeah, you know, it's hard to sort of react. I guess initially, we've seen this before, right? I think 2016. I guess the former president or president-elect now.
Yeah.
He talked about tariffs at that point in time. We've seen this before. Whether or not that actually comes to fruition, I guess, is what everyone is trying to figure out. I guess we have to take him at his word. And if this were to happen, I know the Premier was saying that this could cost a lot of jobs. Ontario alone is one of the largest, the province for sure alone does a lot of business in the United States, let alone the country. So yes, industries or sectors of the market such as energy, such as manufacturing, cars, autos, and not only that, all the businesses that feed into those businesses. So the auto parts makers, like a Magna, how are they affected? So the ripple effect just goes on and on and on. And so the hope is that cooler heads will prevail, that we can, the Prime Minister or whomever can speak to, the President-elect and come up to some agreement. But I guess if you know the MO of the President-elect, this is kind of his starting position, and hopefully he will work back from that.
Yeah, as you talked about that ripple effect, it is real. If this in fact does happen, are you hearing from small businesses who are worried?
A lot of small businesses are worried, definitely. The question I get a lot is from investors, is this going to affect the stock market? Is this going to affect investments? And really, the effects are very specific, meaning certain industries will be affected, others won't. So technology, for example, certain tech businesses, certain tech stocks weren't affected at all when that announcement happened. Tech stocks actually went higher yesterday, whereas other businesses like cars, for example, GM stock went down 8% after the tweet or the information was spoken about. So it's just really specific as to what type of business you're in, what type of where you are in the economy, manufacturing versus tech, or what you're building, and then, as you said, the ripple effect leading into that business, they're going to be affected, and so it's going to reach a lot of people.
For sure. Alan, I wonder what this is going to mean for the Canadian dollar, already not in a great place, and then interest rates. Are you watching for an impact there?
We've already seen it. And when the news of the 25% tariff came out, the dollar immediately fell below 71 cents, something we haven't seen in quite some time. If we were to continue to lower interest rates, Bank of Canada were to lower interest rates a quarter point, 50 basis points, and if the U.S. doesn't lower, our dollar is going to fall substantially, in my opinion. It can fall substantially. Then you combine that with potential tariffs as maybe as early as February, end of January, I think our dollar could fall even further. So the risk, of course, is that we see a dollar falling below 70 cents. And in my opinion, that could lead to more inflation because obviously whatever we import into our country becomes a lot more expensive, leading to the possibility of perhaps a resurgence in inflation. So there's a lot there. Our dollar definitely affects many things. Currency affects many things. And right now, I got to believe that the Bank of Canada is thinking somewhat differently about what they want to do in December and in the new year, maybe go a quarter point at the most, and maybe pause from there, kind of take a wait-and-see approach. I wouldn't be surprised if Tiff Macklin made that some sort of announcement that we're cut in December and then maybe wait and see what happens in the new year. But make no mistake, GDP growth in Canada is slow. So at the same time, the Bank of Canada wants to stimulate. So how do you stimulate when the dollar is weak and you want to bring interest rates down, but you have all these other factors in the air? A lot is going on, I'm sure, at the Bank of Canada right now.
So much to watch for. Financial advisor Alan Small, thanks so much for your analysis and your perspective. We appreciate this.
Thank you.